Experience the culinary revolution with the Nuwave Brio 10-in-1 Air Fryer. This versatile appliance is your ticket to healthier, tastier meals without sacrificing flavor or convenience. Let's delve into what makes the Nuwave Brio a game-changer for your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the Nuwave Brio 10-in-1 Air Fryer 725 QT into your kitchen. Revolutionary cooking technology. Say goodbye to greasy, calorie-laden fried foods and hello to guilt-free indulgence with the Nuwave Brio Air Fryer. Utilizing patented linear T thermal technology, this innovative appliance delivers crispy, delicious results without the need for excess oil or added fats. Whether you're craving crispy fries, golden chicken wings, or perfectly roasted vegetables, the Nuwave Brio has you covered. Customized cooking control. Take control of your cooking with Nuwave Brio's intuitive digital controls and precise temperature adjustments. With the ability to fine-tune temperature settings from 50 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5-degree increments, you can achieve perfect results every time. Plus, with 100 pre-programmed menu presets and an additional 50 memory slots, you'll never run out of delicious recipes to try. Effortless cleanup and convenience. Say goodbye to messy cleanup with the Nuwave Brio's ultra non-stick air circulation riser and dishwasher safe components. The premium stainless steel reversible rack allows for multi-layer cooking, maximizing your cooking capacity and versatility. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, the Nuwave Brio makes mealtime a breeze. Chef-inspired recipes and features. Unlock your culinary creativity with the Nuwave Brio's chef-inspired features and functions. Every aspect of the Nuwave Brio, from its intuitive design to its meticulously crafted recipes, has been rigorously tested by our team of expert chefs and RD professionals. Whether you're cooking appetizers, entrees, or desserts, the Nuwave Brio is engineered to exceed your expectations and elevate your cooking experience. Why you need it. The Nuwave Brio 10-in-1 Air Fryer is more than just an appliance. It's a game-changer for anyone looking to cook healthier, tastier meals with ease. With its innovative technology, customizable cooking control, and chef-inspired recipes, the Nuwave Brio empowers you to unleash your culinary creativity and enjoy delicious, guilt-free meals every day. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.